Presenting a pre-owned 2011 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a six-speed manual transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold weather package, premium package, keyless entry, heated front seats, navigation system, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.